Hi all, I'm Agnes Prismata, Product Ambassador at SharePoint Designs team based in Chennai, India. As the saying goes, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So we decided it was time to switch on the bat signal and have a little fun. We know you have been working hard judging all the wonderful entries for the hackathon. So before the event comes to an end, we invite you to take a short and well-deserved break with us. Welcome to our creative playground, a Batman inspired project where imagination meets craftsmanship. Think of it as a man cave for the dark night, our very own Bat Cave. It all started with a simple question: what if Batman had an intranet? Please grab some popcorn, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show as we take you through our answer. As you enter the Bat Cave, the first thing you'll notice is the Gotham City skyline image in the header, placed behind the top navigation. This shows how we can visually customize the SharePoint header to create a dramatic Gotham style entrance. Right below that, we have the welcome banner. At the top, we greet our heroes with Welcome to Batcave, setting the tone for their entire experience. The message Justice over Vengeance represents the personal mission of the League, reminding the League members that their purpose is protecting Gotham City. This section uses the SharePoint flexible layout, image, and text web part customized visually to create a dramatic entrance while keeping everything completely out of box. Next, we move on to the Gotham Gazette. This section is powered by the SharePoint News web part in the top story layout. Here, members of the Justice League can quickly catch up on the latest updates from Gotham City, whether it's hero achievements, mission updates, or city developments. Each article displays a thumbnail image, author information, publishing date, and a quick preview. This ensures information stays engaging, visual, and easy to consume, just like a real newsroom inside the Batcave. On the right side, we have Bat Alerts. This uses the announcement web part, acting like Gotham's emergency broadcast system. Whenever something important happens in the city, crime alerts appear here so that the team can react immediately. Right below that, we included the Gotham City Crime Alert Index using a SharePoint file and a media web part connected to list data. This visual dashboard helps track patterns in crime activity across Gotham, turning raw information into actionable insights. By default, the web part's chart dropdown option displays the chart in a standard blue color. However, after some research and additional customization in Excel, we modified the styling so that the Excel chart columns appear in black while each bar reflects the site's theme color, creating a design that aligns perfectly with Gotham-inspired visual experience. Moving down, we reach the product and equipment status. Even heroes need to maintain their tools. This section used the editorial card web part to display the operational status of critical equipment like the Batmobile and the Batpod. Each item shows key information such as status, whether it's active or under maintenance, fuel levels, last maintenance date. This creates a simple asset management view inside the Batcave. Next is the birthday reminder web part, because even superheroes deserve to be celebrated. This is built using the editorial card web part, highlighting team member birthdays and allowing colleagues to quickly send greetings. It adds a human and community touch to the workspace. Then we move to the Wayne Tech Arsenal. This section uses the Quick Links web part in compact layout, providing fast access to important internal resources such as case files, IT security, communication center, and financial vault. Think of this as the tool belt of the Batcave, where every important resource is just one click away. Right below that, we have the Commissioner's broadcast. Using the editorial card web part, this space acts as a leadership message area where important updates or motivational notes can be shared with the entire league. Just like the Commissioner Garden shining the bat signal, this section keeps everyone aligned and informed. On the right side, we have one of the most exciting elements, the Justice League Gala Countdown. This is powered by the SharePoint Countdown Timer web part. It builds anticipation for upcoming events and encourages engagement across the team. The call to action button, Enter the Gala, invites members to participate and stay connected with the community. Finally, we arrive at the League Locations map. This section uses the SharePoint image web part combined with location markers using the people web part to visually represent where different heroes operate across Gotham City. You can see heroes like Batman, Superman, Aquaman, and Wonder Woman Since they have just recently joined the SharePoint workspace, their profiles haven't been fully set up yet, so their hero profiles are still loading into the system. Even superheroes apparently need a moment to finish their onboarding. It provides a visual overview of the hero presence across the city, turning the Batcave intranet into a living map of Gotham's protectors. And the best part, every single component you see here is built entirely using SharePoint out of box web parts, proving that with a little creativity, storytelling, and design thinking, even standard tools can transform into something extraordinary. Because sometimes all it takes is one idea to turn a simple intranet into a legendary Batcave. As Albert Einstein famously said, creativity is intelligence having fun. That idea guided this project from start to finish, exploring bold ideas, experimenting with the design, and enjoying the process along the way. We're truly grateful to Microsoft for this hackathon event that brought us all together. It gave us the chance to let our creativity shine, explore new ideas, and step outside of our comfort zones. Everyone involved had a great time creating it, and we hope you have just as much fun experiencing it as we did bringing our idea to life. Thank you.